Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the key file and confirming it's intact. Damaged files won't open. Once you have the file, decide, use iCloud or a converter. If you choose iCloud, sign in with your Apple ID, then upload the key file to iCloud Drive. If you pick a converter, download a trusted app and place the file in its input folder. Make sure you have at least 1 GB free and a modern browser for iCloud access. Once the file is uploaded to iCloud Drive, open Keynote in the browser and double-click the presentation. Keynote runs in browser and preserves animations better. If you converted, run the converter and export to PPTX for editing or PDF for quick viewing. Choose PPTX when you need to edit. Make sure to inspect fonts and images after conversion because substitutions happen. If animations must stay intact, prefer iCloud viewing and download only when edits are required. You finish by downloading the PPTX or PDF to your Windows machine and opening it in PowerPoint or a viewer. Once opened, reassign any missing fonts and adjust layouts. Slide order rarely breaks, but spacing can shift. If you encounter errors, corrupt file, failed conversion, or missing media, reupload the original. Key to iCloud and try again, or test an alternate converter. A key troubleshooting tip: always keep the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.